What's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Testament of a Believer. And today we're going to be showing you how Google Circle to Search can save you from getting scammed, right? So right now we're on Facebook, and this is one of my friends on my friends list, and they have a post going on. And the post basically says we're conducting a sale of personal items due to my sister-in-law's move to a care facility, and which requires significant downsizing. To manage this transition smoothly, items will be sold on a first come first served basis. And then it basically goes on to list the items down here that's being sold and also the price that they're being sold for. And it also says that a deposit will be required to keep the item from being sold to someone else. So basically, when you see this sort of stuff, the first thing that sticks out is a deposit. When anyone asks you for a deposit on social media, that's a red flag. You should definitely run away from that because you're probably getting scammed. The second thing to notice is that when you see the prices of these things and you see how cheap they are, that means that they're trying to get you to react quickly and not think about what's really going on. For instance, some of this stuff they have like for $400, like let's click on this stuff right here. Some tractors, things like that. Dressers, stove, Peloton bike. I think this Peloton bike was listed at $400. Retail prices around $1,500, $2,500, depending on what model you get. Zero turn mower, that was basically $900. 2020 Harley Davidson for $10,000. That's really a price that's crazy. That's unheard of. That bike right there is worth $30,000 alone. And then you can see that it's custom. So we're going to be using Google Circle to Search to get out of being scammed, right? So some of these items are generic, right? You got your little tractors and things like that, the golf carts, those things come a dime a dozen. And you can also see in the pictures that the backgrounds are different. Now, these pictures look like they're taken at various locations. It doesn't give me a warm, fuzzy feeling that these are coming from the same person, right? Even in that home, the floors are different between scenes, right? So let's see if we can use Google Circle to Search to get out of being scammed. Now, I'm not going to scan this Peloton because Pelotons are a dime a dozen, and got the notification clean my house. Pelotons are a dime a dozen, and that's not really not going to give us anything. Zero turn, yeah, but this thing comes off an assembly line, right? So I'm going to scroll down here to this Harley Davidson, right? And when I look at this Harley, this thing looks custom. Like I said, look at the brakes. The brakes are gold. Harley, as much as I love Harley, they don't sell things like that off the showroom floor. So I'm going to use Google Circle to Search, and I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to search this thing, right? Try to see what we come up with. All right. So something's coming up with ice color, blah, 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 road glide, blah, 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 videos, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. And let's see if we can pull something up. All right. No hit. That looks kind of similar, right? Okay. All right. Now let's go back down. Let's do this again. And let's do Circle to Search on this one. See what we can come up with. Let's see. This one popped up with a Facebook post. Must be the same Facebook post that I just Circle to Search from. So let's click on it. Oh, wait a minute. This Facebook post is totally different. It looks like the actual bike that's being sold that somebody that's scamming took the picture of. So this one has a video, and it actually has a price that I can get with, $29,000, right? That's the actual price of the daggone bike, right? So that's the video of the bike right there. So if I go, that's the same picture, right? All right. Look, same background, same pictures, and it even has a license plate on it because this person is not trying to scam anybody. All right, let's go. Let's see if we see the other picture that's the other picture that was taken, right? So somebody ripped these pictures off and put them on another Facebook post and trying to get you to put a deposit on it, and basically just to scam you. So this is how you use Google's Circle to Search to get out of being scammed. We can reverse look up pictures now by doing Circle to Search. When something looks too good to be true, on the internet and we can get out of it. So I hope this helped you, man. I hope this gets you out of being scammed. If this helps you out anyway, leave that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that follow button, man. And leave a comment down below if I was able to help you out. So I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.